Soxhlet extraction. Next, please. Soxhlet extractor Soxhlet extractor is lab equipment designed for processing certain kinds of solids. This device only required where the desired compound has a limited solubility in a solvent and the impurity is insoluble in that solvent. This device also allows for continuous treatment of a sample with a solvent over a period of hours or days to extract compounds of interest. This the Soxhlet apparatus, it was invented in 1879 by a scientist named Franz von Soxhlet. It was first invented for the quantification of fat in the milk. Then it has been frequently used for the extraction of lipids in agricultural chemistry. A Soxhlet extractor has three main sections. First is the percolator, boiler, and reflux, which circulates the solvent. Next is thembol, made of thick filter paper, which retains the solid to be extracted. And the last one is siphon mechanism, which periodically empties the thembol. So the components of the Soxhlet um, extraction. First is the stirrer bar, second the still pot, distillation pot, the thembol, solid, siphon top, siphon exit, expansion adapter. The nine is the condenser, the cooling water in and the cooling water out.
Procedure. Normally, a solid material containing some desired compound to be extracted is placed inside the thembol, made from thick filter paper which is loaded to the main chamber of Soxhlet extractor. The Soxhlet extractor is placed into a flask containing the extraction solvent. The solvent is heated to reflux. The solvent vapor travels up a distillation arm. The condenser ensures that any solvent vapors cools and drips back down to the chamber house solid material. Then the chamber slowly fills with warm solvent. Some of the desired compound will then dissolve in the warm solvent. When the Soxhlet chamber is almost full, the chamber is automatically emptied by a siphon side arm, with the solvent running back down to the distillation flask. After extraction, the solvent is removed by means of a rotary evaporator, yielding the extracted compound. The non-soluble portion of the extracted solid remains in the timber and is usually discarded. This cycle may be allowed to repeat many times over hours or days. During each cycle, non-volatile compound dissolves in the solvent. The desired compound is concentrated in distillation flask. Advantages: it is able to extract solute from insoluble impurities. It is mechanically gentle on the samples but still efficient in separation. It is often used as a benchmark when developing new extraction methods. Disadvantages: lengthy process, greater than 24 hours, require large volume of solvent, time consuming. The application: it is the most useful apparatus for the solid liquid extraction in various fields such as pharmaceutics, environments, foodstuff, estimation of fat in food. First of all, dry the product and remove moisture in order to facilitate in, entry of the organic solvent. Because moisture restricts the entry of organic solvent. The size reduction is there to increase the surface area due to it there is larger exposed surface. After this, go for acidic hydrolysis which helps in breaking of protein, fat, emulsion and increase the availability of fat for the solvent. After that, collect the solvent by distillation. Conclusion. Extraction is essential for isolation of different chemical constituents from the crude drug material. Extraction depends on the properties of material to be extracted. Hence, it is necessary to study extraction methods in detail. Thank you.